coming with 108 golden rules which you should follow and get feed into your subconscious mind. If you are a stock market trader on or positional, to win, you must have a survival strategies. Let's start learning now. All these golden rules are given the description, and shortly I will make this audio on subliminal music which you can play it before you start the trade. To get the update on subliminal audio, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. You are watching the Market Cockpit channel, a cockpit, a bundles of knowledge. Now, without wasting further, let's start learning these 108 golden rules. Rule number 1. Remember that stock market is a game that needs high mental capacity and less emotions burden. Rule number 2. A trader must believe himself and his own judgment. Rule number 3. Always use stop loss orders. Always. Rule number 4. Eliminate the fear of losing because scared money rarely profits. Rule number 5. Try to forget 4 words while trading: hope, wish, fear, pray. Market has a whole system of moving up and down. Rule number 6. Do not trade every day of year. Trade only when the market is clearly bullish or bearish. Trade in the direction of the general market. If it is rising, you should be in long. If it is falling, you should be short. Rule number 7. It is sensible to test the stock first by investing a smaller amount of money than investing bulk amount. By doing this, you would be able to analyze the market condition and reduce your loss in your part. Rule number 8. Try to learn and improve your knowledge from your each losses. Never allow large profits to turn into losses. Consider selling the market move against you by 20% to 25% from your peak profit. Rule number 10. Never add to losing position. Rule number 11. Trader should study the general direction of stock prices. Rule number 12. Exercise discipline to avoid mistakes or bad trading tactics. Rule number 13. Always keep of your trading results and analyze the results. Rule number 14. Patience, perseverance, and determination and rational trading plans are the key attributes of a successful trade. Rule number 15. Never get emotionally involved in your trade. Now, let's come to rule number 16. Do not try to profit on every trade. It is the total profit you make that matters, not the matter of different days and different stocks. On rule number 17. Be flexible. Remember that different strategies suit different days and different stocks. Coming to rule number 18. Decide in advance how much risk you are willing to take and stick on your decision. Now, let's see rule number 19. Access to timely information from reliable sources and fast execution of trades is essential for successful trading. Now, let us see what is rule number 20. Subscribe to good financial journals and information services. Coming to rule number 21. Limit your focus to a manageable number of stocks and avoid focus on too many stocks at once. Rule number 22. Develop positive attitude. Rule number 23. Don't trade in a stressful condition. Coming to rule number 24. Spend considerable time, effort and practice to learn tactics of the trading. Rule number 25. Paper trade or other alternative methods or use other simulated trading websites to practice your trading technique before you use your own real money. Rule number 26. Divide your capital and always keep some spare money for any buying opportunity which may come in any time. Rule number 27. Trade only active and high volume stocks because it is easy for entry, exit and stop loss. Rule number 28. Traders should always keep their trading plans ready before entering into any transaction. Rule number 29. Never overtrade. Trade only in 2 or 4 stocks at time with strict stop loss. Rule number 30. Keep strict vigil to avoid any misfortune in case of any eventuality. Rule number 31. Always prepare to go short as often as you go long, because history shows that full faces have shorter duration than bare faces. Rule number 32. Don't trade if your mind is not clear. Rule number 33. Avoid trading if the trend is choppy, unclear or undoubtful. Rule number 34. Always be flexible and change your strategies with market conditions. Rule number 35. Withdraw portion of your profits. Rule number 36. Believe in charts and act on charts. Rule number 37. Don't trade with high ego. Rule number 38. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. Rule number 39. Don't enter into trading without trading plan. Rule number 40. To know where and how you will take profit once you enter the trade. Rule number 41. Traders need to develop a method of getting out of losing trades quickly. Use stop loss orders. Great traders have made many losses, but what makes them great is their ability to recover quickly from string of losses. Rule number 42. Try to stick on your plans and strategies during the market hours. Rule number 43. Have clear plan for getting out of bad trade. Rule number 44. Determine before you get in where you will get out. Rule number 45. Always sell what shows you a loss and keep what shows you a profit. Rule number 46. Traders should be cautious and courage. Rule number 47. Always keep in mind that how much you are willing to lose. Rule number 48. Detach yourself from emotions, that is fear, greed, etc. Rule number 49. Don't waste time doubling in so many small stocks with minimal profit. Watch out for big stocks and concentrate on few. Rule number 50. Don't rely upon tips, rumors. You formulate your own strategy. Rule number 51. Take a time to do careful evaluation of history of stock performance and keep up with latest news and stock market options. Rule number 52. Acquire as much as information as possible about the company you are planning to invest in. Research through major websites and brokerage house financial publications and mutual funds companies. Rule number 53. Before buying, you should observe the price, volume and day high and day low in the environment of the stock market. Rule number 54. Formulate your own list of companies you have to bought shares on. This enables you to check out the profit of each company. Rule number 55. Your ability to consistently buy low and sell high will determine the success or failure of your investment. Rule number 56. Market winners only care about direction and duration, while market losers are obsessed with the why not. To make profit, it is only necessary to know that how the markets are moving, not why they are moving. Rule number 57. Stick on the stocks with long-term perspective, because all the money is made by catching large market moves, not by day trading or short-term stock investing. Rule number 58. Develop trading disciplines. Rule number 59. You should make your own trading decisions based on a rational analysis of all the facts. Rule number 60. Before trading, you should know where is your entry point and exit point. Rule number 61. Traders should be mastered the art of mastering accepting losses. Rule number 62. You concentrate on what you can control instead of things that are beyond your control. Rule number 63. You should become realistic in trading instead of becoming a perfectionist. Rule number 64. You should be aware of the indicators of the trading, such as volume, advances, declines, and new highs and new lows. Rule number 65. Have the ability to quickly identify failures as well as success. Rule number 66. Take advantage of technology, computers, software, electronic data, seek out charting software and appropriate internet sites. Rule number 67. Your trading plan should consist enter and exit points to know technical and fundamental analysis, detach emotions, avoid bad strategies, and have a strict stop loss. Rule number 68. Always keep your trading plan simple and Action should be taken only on the basis of your trading plan, not because of fear, greed, and hope. Rule number 69. Traders should have a winning attitude. Take responsibility for all your actions. Don't blame the market or world events. Rule number 70. Don't be influenced by the options of others. Rule number 71. Don't try to guess the future. Trading is a game of probability. Rule number 72. Try to stay calm. Don't get excited and depressed. Rule number 73. Don't count how much money you have made or lost while you are in trade. Focus on trading well. Rule number 74. Lack of knowledge, no plans, fear, greed, lack of patience, and overconfidence are the common factors for failure. Rule number 75. Set up strategies for rising and falling markets. Otherwise, you are drastically limiting the number of trades you can take. Rule number 76. Simplicity is mastery. Avoid complex strategy. Stay with simple strategy. Rule number 77. Hold on your gains and cut your losses. Rule number 78. Stick on your strategy. Rule number 79. Treat every trade as the first trade you have ever made in your life. Rule number 80. Overconfidence is a false sense of invisibility based on past wins as a receipt for disaster. Rule number 81. No trading rules will deliver a profit 100% of the time. Rule number 82. A speculator should have enough excess margin in his account to provide staying power so he can participate in big moves. Rule number 83. Trade with the trends rather than trying to pick tops and bottoms. Rule number 84. Buy rising stocks and sell falling stocks. Rule number 85. Only enter a trade after the action of the market confirms your opinion and then enter promptly. Rule number 86. Don't trade many markets with little capital. Rule number 87. Don't just trade the volatile contract. Rule number 88. Continue with the trades that show you a profit and trades that show a loss. Rule number 89. Establish your trading plans before the market opening to eliminate emotional reaction. End the trade when it is clear that the trend you are following is over. Rule number 90. Use technical signals, that is technical chart. Rule number 91. In any sector, trade is leading stock, the one showing the strongest trend. Rule number 92. Use discipline to eliminate impulse trading. Rule number 93. Never average stocks which are in losses. For example, buying more stock that has fallen which is in opposite direction of your trade. Rule number 94. Follow money management techniques, means intelligent trading, allocation and risk management. Rule number 95. Never meet a margin call. Get out of the trade. Rule number 96. Trade with a plan, not with hope, greed or fear. Plan where you will get in the market, plan how much you will risk on the trade, and plan where you will take your profit. I have done a video for this rule separately to understand market sentiment before. Please find the link below in the description box. Rule number 97. Go long when stocks reach new high. Sell short when they reach new low. Rule number 98. Don't become an involuntary investor by holding onto stocks whose price has fallen. Rule number 99. Cut your losses short. Let your profits run. Rule number 100. A stock is never too high to buy and never too low to short. Rule number 101. Carry a notebook with you and jot down interesting market information. Write down the market openings, price ranges, your fills, stop orders and your own personal observations. Reread your notes from time to time. Use them to help analyze your performance. Rule number 102. The highest profits are made in trades that show a profit right from the start. Rule number 103. Program your mind to accept many small losses. Program your mind to sit still for too large gains. Rule number 104. Learn to trade from the short side. Rule number 105. Recognize that fear, greed, ignorance, generosity, stupidity, impatience, self-delusion, etc. can cost you lot more money than the market going against you, and that there is no fundamental method to recognize these factors. Rule number 106. Standing aside is a position. Patience is important. Rule number 107. Beware of all tips and inside information. Wait for the market's action to tell you if the information you had obtained is accurate. Then take a position with the developing trend. Rule number 108. Analyze your losses. Learn from losses. They are expensive lessons. You paid for them. Most traders don't learn from their mistakes because they don't like to think about them. Stay tuned with us. We are coming with several trading mantras for successful trades. Hope you like our 108 mantras and follow the same and mint money. Friends, this makes you rich, and in turn, I expect a lovely like from this video. I hope you have subscribed my channel to get more stock market mantras. A cockpit, a bundles of knowledge.